So hi everybody, I just went in this gym for the senior citizens and I got some nice equipment in there, but I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. So I'm gonna get on a phone call tomorrow and see if I can't set up some personal trainer time. I think it's $15 for 30 minutes. I just need them to set me up a circuit, show me how the machines work, stuff like that, and then I should be good to go. I kind of know how the aerobic stuff works, but I'm interested in doing some of the weightlifting so I could build some muscle. So anyway, next stop is at the store. Alright guys, so yes, we're parked over here. This is the, I think, East Alton or Wood River water treatment plant, and it's part of a bike trail. Yeah, I brought Queenie with me. We shall see if she becomes a little brat. At least, I don't think I can lose her on the trail, because this is pretty straightforward. It's a 2-mile walk. This morning I went and I bought more bird feed at the tractor place. Okay, I'm back again. I don't know why it shut off. It's kind of windy here, so I apologize. What was I saying? Oh, I went and I bought 2 boxes of suet cakes. They were like 2 for $15. And I forget how many is in there, but it was a better deal than buying them one at a time. And they seem to like them, and they go through a lot of them. The only thing is, they keep taking it off they take the suet cake holder off of the bird feeding thing, and now I've lost the chain. I can't find it. They've done it before, but I found the chain. This time I don't know where it went to. Oh, Queenie's crying. She's had her poop and now she's ready to go home. Now what else was I gonna say? Oh, I found a shirt on sale. I thought it was on sale for $4.99, and I thought that was a really good deal. But when they rang it up, it was only a couple bucks. Wish they would have had some more like that. Really, she had to go all the way down there to pee. What is your sister doing? Let's see. Own about 35 pounds of bird food. I'll have to see if my son will carry that in. I can do it, but it's kind of heavy. And, which is another reason why I need to do some workout with weights. Because actually, there's a lot of women my age that can't even carry a 10-pound bag of potatoes, and that's, I don't want to be like that. Oh, so in the summer it's pretty down here. Oh, I hear whiny butt. So I guess I better get going, but I've been watching more videos of dumpster diving, and it's not really like I'm into what they were finding, because as far as I'm concerned, it all looked like junk to me. But the people who go and they find food, I'm interested in that. I'm interested in the free food. So I went to the grocery store. I went to Save-A-Lot. I drove around back. I took a look at their dumpster. There's no fence around it. There's nothing that says no trespassing. And so that's pretty good. And Aldi's is not too far from them, so I drove around to their dumpster. And again, it's just a dumpster. No, there's no trespassing signs. I mean, there are no trespassing signs. It's not locked up in a gate. It's just there. So I would consider it, you know, fair game. You know, I know what hours they operate. So I might just pop in there once or twice, see what's on top. I'm not gonna go digging for no food, but oh man, you guys, I bet you can't see this, but there is like a herd of deer. There must be 20 of them. They're over there crossing this field. Oh my gosh. I swear there might be 20 or 25, 30. Some of them are bunched up at the beginning. There's some stragglers, but I've never seen that many deer all in one place. Wow. I knew there was deer out here because I used to work security guard at the power plant, and every time about sunset I would see them. Sunset and sunrise. Yeah, I was there sunset and sunrise. It was a 12-hour shift and I hated it. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. There they go. So there's supposed to be some kind of disease that's hitting the deer in different areas called zombie. It's a zombie disease or something. They say it could pass on to humans. Well guys, I'll probably just get to walk and get this over with so I can get this little baby back to her house. She's looking at me like, come on Mom, hurry up, let's get this over with so we can go back home. Guys, have a great day. Try to do something that's fun. I don't know what I'm going to do the rest of the day. It's only about 1 o'clock. I'd like to go see a movie. It's weird because I haven't seen a movie in years. I don't know. I'm so cheap, I really don't want to spend the money. Anyway, guys, peace and love. See y'all later. Have a great day. Okay, guys. Yeah, I'm just getting a shot of this truck here with nobody in it. I saw a guy walking around down there in that ditch, and in my mind I'm thinking, well, that would be a good place to dump a dead body. So yeah, now with that good thought, y'all have a nice day.